So the next trade we took occurred at this pullback here. We are trading with the trend. As you can see, price pulls back. We have shrinking candles, 2 long wicks sticking out, rejecting this level of resistance, rejecting the broken trend line, rejecting the 50 EMA. So again, we have a bearish bias and we need to go down to the daily and the 4-hour to look for a trade entry. So again, here in the daily, you can clearly see multiple candles rejecting this area and failing to push through, which is another bearish bias. So we jump down to the 4-hour to look for an entry. And here on the 4-hour, we have a picture perfect entry. I draw on a trend line. We then had a lower high and we entered at the break of the trend line, showing that this pullback is over. So then we have weekly bearish price action, daily bearish price action, and then 4-hour bearish price action, but confirmed through the break of the trend line. And we targeted the swing low here. Now, where is the pound yen headed next? We are at a very interesting point right now. Remember that price action is not guessing. We are waiting for price to move and to show us what it wants to do next. And here's what we are waiting for. As you can see here on the weekly, we are in a clear downtrend as we are making lower highs and lower lows. If price breaks this key level of support here, and this is a very key level, then price will end up making a lower low, which signals a continuation of this downtrend. And then there is nothing in the way of this trade, and it could potentially drop down to the 139 zone. So we are waiting for a break of support if we were thinking of taking a short entry. Now, in scenario 2, we have a trend line here, and if price breaks this trend line, this would be our first signal of a trend change. Then this here would become a higher low, which is another trend change signal. So even with this lower high and this trend line break, we would be trading right into this key level of resistance and the 50 EMA. So what we would be looking for is a candle close above this level of resistance and above the 50 EMA. And then we would take a trend continuation trade, meaning we would enter on a momentum candle. And this trade could potentially go up to the 153 zone. So right now, we're just waiting to see which way price breaks out. If it breaks support and goes down, we have a short bias. If it breaks the trend line, makes a lower high, breaks the 50 EMA and this level of resistance, we have a long bias and we'll be looking for long trades. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.